Welcome to the Astroimaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astroimaging Journey channel. In this part, we're going to permanently stretch this image. So up to this point, we've been having to undo the stretch, redo the stretch. That looks horrible, but that's because we just smoothed out that noise. But we'll correct that when we do our stretch, our actual stretching of the data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo my stretch. I'm going to open up the screen transfer function, and I'm going to open up the histogram transformation process. Now, with the screen transfer function, I want to track the RGB, and I want to stretch it. So, as you can see, we got the same image that we just had a few moments ago. I'm just going to scroll in here, and I just want to drag this midpoint over somewhere about right there. Yeah, I like that. Now this is going to be a good starting point for us. So what we can do now is we can take the triangle from the screen transfer function and pop it over here to our histogram transformation, and you'll see this curve changed. It was a straight line, now it's a curve that comes up and over right over here. I'm going to select my RGB, and I'm going to open up a preview, and it looks white. So to undo that, we can either reset it here or we can reset it up here, but either way we need to undo the stretch. Now our original is unstretched, and our preview has our stretch on it. And now we're just going to scroll in, and you can see our black point and our midtone. We're just going to play with these a little bit to get something that we like. Now I could bring this over, really clip those black points. I don't want to do too much, but I don't want to leave a lot of that either. So I just want to pull it right to about there. Maybe a tick more. I like it right there. Now that sky looks awfully black, so I went way too far. Just need to pull it back a little bit. Probably still a little bit too black, but that's okay. And my midtone, I still have a lot of stuff in there, so I'm just going to bring it over to about right in there. I think I'm going to like that right there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply it. Again, it washes out my preview, so I'm just going to go ahead and close that out. And now our image is stretched. It's permanently stretched. And that's what we're going to work on going forward, because now we're going to try to enhance this image with our narrowband data. So, but that's going to be in the next couple of parts. So with that, I'm going to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astroimaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, Clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.